Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Framer Motion with React. Framer Motion is an incredibly powerful and intuitive animation library that makes adding delightful motion to your React application straightforward. It provides a declarative API, allowing you to define animations directly within your components. We will cover its core concepts, helping you bring your user interfaces to life with smooth transitions and engaging interactions. Let's start with the basics, animating elements using the motion component. Simply prefix any HTML or SVG element, like a div or span, with motion, to transform it into an animatable component. You then define its initial state and its animate state using simple JavaScript objects. Control the animation speed and style with the transition prop, making your elements move smoothly across the screen. Framer Motion excels at handling user interactions and complex animation sequences. With props like while hover and while tap, you can easily add interactive gestures to your components, responding to user input. Variants provide a powerful way to manage multiple animation states and orchestrate animations across parent and child components, simplifying complex motion flows and ensuring consistency throughout your application. Finally, let's explore animate presence and layout animations, which are game changers for dynamic interfaces. Animate presence allows components to animate out when they are removed from the React tree, creating seamless transitions. The layout prop automatically animates changes in position and size, making reordering or resizing elements incredibly smooth. These features help you build highly interactive and visually appealing user experiences with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.